Hello. Anyway, today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to turn a stalk of dogbane into this, and then turn this into pieces into cordage. Now, dogbane is incredibly fibery and very strong. I feel like that's some better lighting. That's better. Oops. Tripod, cooperate. So, after it's dried out, you can you pinch it down, and you can break it into 4 segments, and then kind of just you open it up and like that. So you want to break it from the inside out like that, and then you kind of just put your thumb here and you peel it off, and then you're left with these wonderful fibers for making cordage. I tried a knot in the end of this that I can't undo. Now, the next part is this. Now, what you're noticing is the piece I just took off from that stalk, there's no way you get this much, so you have to splice it in, I think that's the right term. And to do that, you unwind it a little bit. I'm actually gonna attempt to loosen up some of these fibers at the end just to get them to combine with the next pieces. You can either grab from the middle of a piece like this and tuck it into the middle. I find that creates bumps in the cordage. So what I do is I take 2 pieces, and you want to I try to keep the thickness even. And then once you pinch it here, and the way you get it to twist together and not come undone, you twist away from you like that, bring it over the other piece, twist it back like that. Kind of hard to see this, but and then you just keep twisting it away from you, bring it back over the other piece, and then you keep swapping back and forth between them. So I'm going to stop it here, and then I'll come back, and then we'll do a weight test with it to see how strong just this little bit is, because I've actually been wanting to do that for a little bit. Okay, so here's how I'm gonna conduct the test. I've got a scale here, and I've got definitely more than a 5-gallon bucket. I only call it a 5-gallon bucket or something, but I think it holds more than 5 gallons. And I'm gonna fill this with rocks slowly, and I'll just watch the weight with the scale. But I've got to go get the rocks first. It's also really windy. Okay, so I found some chains. I'm going to put those in the bucket first. And we'll see how much it weighs right now. I didn't account for the part where a bucket doesn't cover the same area on a scale as human feet does, so just to make sure gets a good reading, I'm going to do it twice. Oh, it's giving me the freaking error. Come on. Wait, is it out of battery or something? No, it is not out of battery. Hang on. Be on more of a level surface, I think. Yeah, it probably looks really silly out here, holding a bucket with a bathroom scale. But what can you do? Okay. This is, with the chain in it, 32 pounds. I'm going to tie, my guess is that the cordage at this thickness can probably hold 100 pounds. Actually, no, I'm going to lower that, I'm going to say 80. But I've got to tie it to the handle first, and I'm a little concerned with how it will be attached because of, like, simply, it's a small contact point, but we'll see. Okay, first test. 32 pounds. Here we go. Success. It is up off the ground. Put it back down. Gonna put this rock in it. Now I'll weigh it again. I put this up to 47. All right, here we go. Okay, it broke at the knot, which makes me think that it wasn't actually the line breaking, and that it was breaking because of how small of a point it has to be hung on to. So I'm going to see if I can find a way to cushion that, because I think it can hold more than 38 pounds. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken a bit of PVC and cut it and then flipped it over this, so it has a much bigger radius. So hopefully there's less strain on the point where it's being attached. Yeah, I think there will be. Gotta attach that. Good old slip knot. Down around the PVC. Take two for 42 pounds. Oh wait, it's slipping through. Oh, wait. Hold. Nah, I can't do it. Huh. Honestly, I would have thought it would be a bit stronger than that, but still, if you're gonna, I don't know, I guess it's pretty good. Anyway, yeah. See you next time.